Hey subscribers and YouTubers. Hey, this is Flathead Terry again. Today's adventure, working on the Model A 1930. In one of the earlier episodes, I think I pointed out this accessory windshield wiper. It has one blade over here. Nothing fantastic or anything, but I guess it does the job. Basically, it didn't work when I got the car started. And basically what I did was just take off this screw, take this cover off, and inside is just a bunch of gears and a motor. The gears were fine, but the grease was all dried up, didn't work at all. So took that apart, cleaned it up, and reinstalled it. And what I did too is I patched up some of the existing wires, the original wires to it. Of course, in keeping with my strategy of keeping things and preserving them. Here's the wires that come through where they were originally mounted. Way along here, you can see some patches along here if you can, right through here. Ran it down along over here. Ran it all the way through. There's a vent there, and then connected one wire to the switch here, and then the other wire runs way down underneath and up and around and connects to this side of the ammeter. So did I get it to work? Well, let's find out. Let's pull the switch and see what happens. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh, now if that isn't too annoying, but I guess that's the price to pay if you want to have a clean windshield while you're driving in the rain. So there we have it. Short video today. Thanks for watching and have a good one. Hey, in addition to getting that windshield wiper working, hey, an extra bonus was I put a new light bulb in the I guess they call it the map light or the speedometer light, but basically you just put a little bulb in here, and when you do, you just twist it, and there you go. Look at that, check that out. Oh boy, the adventures never end here at Flathead Terry's place. Check that out. So added bonus. Have a good one. Take care. Bye.